Welcome to our channel. Here, we learn English with fun adventures. Let's practice together.
I wash the apple. I wash the apple. I peel the banana. I peel the banana. I spread the butter. I spread the butter. I slice the tomato. I slice the tomato. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I set the table. I set the table. I pour the water. I pour the water. I eat the salad. I eat the salad. I drink my milk. I drink my milk. I clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen.
Hope you learned more. Subscribe for more videos.